Hey everybody. Alright, this is just later after I put on the second coat of the first batch. That's the second coat. It's drying nice. They all look real nice. Much better than they did. So that'll dry till tomorrow morning. I'll flip them and put a coat on, and then later in the day I'll put one more coat on, and then they're done. These are the second batch. There's too many of them. Can't see that. 2 50-pound plates, York green ones in there. They just couldn't fit all in here. There's like 300 pounds of plates in here. They're pretty much all these kind. And yeah, these, there's only 2 of those. It's like these 2 in here, and those 2 are a set, and the other 4 are like those. These in here I have separated by rocks. I put a tiny rock underneath the first one and a rock underneath, 2 rocks in between them, just so they catch more of the solution. And there's a rock under the first one under here as well. I got 3 more gallons of vinegar. I think that'll do the trick. Probably put 1 in here, 2 in here, and then let it sit for 2 days again, and I think that'll do the trick for sure. So yeah, and I guess I'll just update next time I come back. This should be sitting for about a little bit by the time I get back. I might not exactly have time to spray these tomorrow morning because I'm going to a garage sale, but garage sales. But I'm going to have to move them because it might rain tomorrow. These can't get wet, so I probably should finish that in the morning ASAP. First coat in the morning, and second coat about midday, hopefully before the rain hits. And they say it's like 24 hours before these are completely dry, but 2 to 4 hours before you can touch it. So it's probably not good to have the rain fall on them, but okay, I'll update you next video. Wow, isn't it looking nice? Peace.